Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Health Spiffy, your hub for all things wellness. I'm Leo M., and today we're diving into the ultimate self-care experience, creating your very own DIY wellness retreat at home. Yes, you heard it right. Relax, refresh, and rejuvenate, all from the comfort of your humble abode. DIY retreat planning. Now, before you think you need a mountainous backdrop or a fancy spa, let me tell you, your home is the perfect haven for this retreat. So, grab a comfy blanket, maybe a cup of herbal tea, and let's get started on crafting a retreat that'll leave you feeling like $1,000,000. Segment 1. Setting the scene. First things first, let's set the scene. Create a calming atmosphere by dimming the lights, lighting some candles or using soft lamps, and playing soothing music. Think of your space as a sanctuary of tranquility, a haven away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Segment 2. Mindful breathing exercise. Now that we've set the mood, let's kick off with a simple but powerful mindful breathing exercise. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and take slow, deep breaths. Inhale positivity, exhale stress. Let's do this together for a couple of minutes. Feel that tension melt away? That's the magic of mindful breathing. Segment 3. DIY Spa Day. Time to pamper yourself with a DIY spa day. Raid your kitchen for natural ingredients, honey, yogurt, oats, and create a homemade face mask. Apply it, sit back, and let the goodness soak in. Your skin will thank you, and your wallet will too. Segment 4. Nourishing your body. A wellness retreat wouldn't be complete without nourishing your body. Prepare some wholesome snacks, maybe a fruit platter or a smoothie bowl. Eating clean doesn't have to be boring. Make it colorful, make it tasty, make it a treat for your body. Segment 5. Guided meditation. Now, let's delve into the world of guided meditation. Find a quiet corner, sit or lie down comfortably, and let a calming voice guide you through a peaceful journey. This isn't just relaxation. It's a reset for your mind, a moment to let go of the day's chaos. Segment 6. Digital Detox Hour. It's time for a digital detox. Yes, I know, your phone is practically an extension of your hand, but trust me, disconnecting for a bit is liberating. Set your gadgets aside, maybe even in another room. Let your mind breathe, free from the constant digital buzz. Segment 7. Journaling for reflection. Grab a journal and pen down your thoughts. Reflect on your goals, your achievements, and what brings you joy. Journaling isn't just for writers. It's a therapeutic way to understand yourself better and appreciate the journey you're on. Segment 8. Stretch and move. Now, let's get that body moving. You don't need a gym for this. Simple stretches and light exercises can do wonders. Not only does it boost your mood, but it also keeps your body flexible and agile. Segment 9. Creative expression. Engage your creative side. Whether it's painting, doodling, or crafting, expressing yourself through art is a fantastic way to unwind. You don't need to be Picasso. Just let your creativity flow. Segment 10. Mindful reading. Finally, wind down with some mindful reading. Pick up a book that inspires you, transports you to another world, or teaches you something new. Lose yourself in the pages and let your imagination soar. And there you have it, your very own DIY wellness retreat at home. No need for fancy resorts or expensive spa days. Just a little time, creativity, and self-love. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health spiffy goodness. Until next time, stay spiffy and stay well.